The next company we have is Charter Communications, CHTR. Now, the latest trend for this is a downwards position. We have support and resistance lines drawn. Let's zoom into this a little bit. So this is not going to tick a lot of boxes on our checklist. So yes, it does have an all-time historical trend, but in the latest trend that we're seeing is going in a downwards position. So there isn't two bounces in an upwards trend. There isn't higher highs and there's not higher lows. And let's just do the percentage of growth. We probably wouldn't want to put this on our watch list, but let's have a look at this. So you're looking about, say about 6% there. Okay, let's jump to the next stock.